Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna be showing how I do my eyebrows, and if you want to learn, then just keep on watching. Okay, so what I use for my eyebrows is the ColourPop pomade, and it's in the color black and brown. So I'm gonna underline or whatever, outline the bottom of my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, like, I want it longer because I have a small tail, so I'm gonna extend my tail a little longer. I'm gonna do it downwards, and then I'm gonna bring the product that I have right here because it's all harsh, and I'm gonna bring it to the front like that. I'm gonna do the same thing to this eyebrow so that they could be more like even and symmetrical. Okay, now that I outlined the bottom of my eyebrows, I want to shape my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna fill them in. So I kind of round right here, and I drag it down. My eyebrow, I'm missing like a chunk of hair right here, so I have to fill it in differently. Now that I have the shape of my eyebrows done, I'm gonna use the pomade, and I'm gonna just fill them in. I'm gonna use the first dip, and I'm gonna use it on the end of my eyebrow, so like you can see it's darker. I have a scar right here which doesn't fill in, so the pomade doesn't stay on it, so I'm gonna need to use powder so that it stays on. And then with the rest of what I have on the brush, I'm gonna use for the front. And then I'm just gonna lightly brush towards the front. And then I'm gonna keep brushing through while I'm filling them in, so that the product doesn't harsh on my eyebrows or in like one spot. For the front, I'm gonna just brush lightly so that it looks gradually like lighter and then dark in your eyebrow. And then just keep brushing. So now that you have like a fade in the front of your eyebrow. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other eyebrow. And because I'm missing a chunk of hair right here, I just like to comb it so that like I have like color from the pomade right here in the empty spot. And then when I conceal, like, you won't be able to tell that I'm missing hair. So this is how they look with just the pomade. Now I'm gonna be putting a powder on top of them, and this is just a little brow palette I have. And I'm gonna use the light shade. I usually use the dark shade when I have like a lot of makeup on, but I'm gonna do the light shade, and I'm just gonna dip it like twice, and then I'm gonna use those two dips, and I'm gonna just spread it over my eyebrows so that they're not dark. And as you can see, like my brow is getting darker. And then for my scar, I have to fill it in with powder. Like, and then I'm gonna brush the powder toward the front a little bit. And now I'm gonna do the same to the other eyebrow using the powder. And now that I put on the powder, I'm gonna use a brow gel. This is the Make Me Brow gel. This is so that your eyebrows could stay put and the powder could stay put, and so that your eyebrows like don't smear throughout the day, so that they stay in place. And then I'm just gonna put it all over my eyebrow and brush them in the brush the hairs in the way I want them to. And then for my scar, like the powder doesn't fall off my scar, because that's usually what happens if I don't set my eyebrows. So now they're gonna stay on all day. To conceal my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna use the Tarte concealer, and I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand so that I could just pick up the product with the brush. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush, and I'm not gonna pick up a lot because it's a thick concealer. And now I don't want to be a big pile of concealer in one pile. I'm gonna drag down all the concealer that I put from my eyebrow. And now that I dragged it down, all the product is down. And I'm gonna just use this brush to blend out the concealer. Because I left like the concealer right here, I could try to even out my eyebrows. And now I'm gonna conceal the top of my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do the same and not use a lot of product. And then for the tail, I want to have like a thin tail. Just keep thinning it out on both sides, so like that. And I'm gonna blend the concealer, so like just like how I did at the bottom and I brought it down, for at the top I'm just gonna rub it out, and then I'm gonna blend it with the brush. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And then again, because I'm missing hair right here, I'm gonna let the concealer like sit right here so that it like stays more. And then I'm just gonna blend out all the concealer that I have around my eyebrows and on top. And then for like the middle, because I don't want them to look connected, so you see how they like look connected, I just like take it off with my finger like that to clean it up, and then I just blend it. And now that I like left it, I'm just gonna blend it out and the concealer makes it look like I have hair. Now that I blended it out, I'm just going to put on some lashes and show you how it all looks together. And now I put the lashes on, and this is how it looks with my eyebrows done and my lashes put on. This is how I do my eyebrows. So if you liked the video, leave a comment and a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos.